Whoo, child. God got me telling all my business again. Let me just sit on down here. Woo! Alright. So, this beautiful view that you see behind you, this was November 6, 2018. That year I was going through a ailment, unknown ailment that impacted my mind, body, and my spirit. No doctors, no one seemed to have the answers for me. And this particular day, I was just tired of feeling the way I was feeling. And I just wanted to go to this space and just receive some type of clarity. But what I didn't realize was I was bringing forth thoughts of I wanted to end. And let me tell you how powerful your thoughts are. So even if I didn't say out of my mouth, I want this to end, I had attracted that thought to me. So I had two people call me that were joking, but they were joking about me jumping in the water as I'm driving to this location, right? So I got there and I cried my eyes out for hours, and I just was asking God, like, help me, save me. And it got real quiet. And what came to me is, you gotta save yourself. And so I had just saved this app called the Safe Space in my phone in case somebody else needed it. Unknowingly, I needed it. So I started going through this app, and I don't remember what I read, but whatever I read in that app is what saved me. So I just want to say to whoever may be going through anything that's challenging and you want it to end, I want to tell you that it's not the end for you. It's only the beginning for you. So feel free to reach out for support, seek counseling, therapy, talk to people. Just don't shut yourself out and don't count yourself out, because you matter, you are worthy, you are beautiful, you are strong. And again, if there's anything that I can do to help you, to support you, let me know. I offer a variety of holistic wellness services that actually help me through a variety of things that came up in my life. So thank you for tuning in, thank you for listening, and I just want to send you peace and love.